Why you making trouble with me? That I don't even bother you or I don't even attack you, your house. I don't even stealing something that belong to you. You stealing, you attack my house and you stealing my things that belong to me and you stealing my bank account. I leave it, I save that my daughter, the time that I find out the daughter no belong to me. And I know I got the triplets because I closed my eyes and twice come out the time. It's good luck the triplets. I know good luck because twice is Lucia the time. Now which one of you was kidnapped the triplets? Belong to me. One before is one white, two is a black here. 97, three white come out. And I don't talk that police before because they tie down me. And I don't like somebody always tie down me and lock me the room. I don't talk that police. I pray to God to help me, to helping me, and the voice the God, the miracle me the wrong, to talk to me, well, get out the wrong, now go apply the job. 97 was I take custody the daughter. One time I was the courthouse. The time I was there. The second, no more. They kidnapped me and they know already I was pregnant the time. No already, not the skinny. And why the cat is stealing my identity? Cat is a female. Get that vagina. That's the one. And fuck God, my steady boyfriend. And they're accusing me. They're accusing me that no light fall out the woman. That was the getting weight and we met the time I met the boyfriend I was 95. To no more that married that Lucia 96. Why that time 95? I stayed at pretend sister. And I find out that pretend sister is a cat. No real to me. Now right now, all I want my my right to fight this person. Why this police? Some of you, you cannot solve out a problem. And why? Why you cannot solve out the problem? We both know the identity theft and we both know that you can pull out the person, the face. You don't like full out and why? You say that Tina Kamatsu Ababa and you say that Rosanna Jones and you say that Monica Ababa. That three is making trouble with me. Look at this house. The less the Ababa family is Lucia. The copy before the land house, they take over the cat and the cartoon. They take over before. But the less the Ababa is still God. The less the Ababa, the land house. Still collect me, but I don't take over yet. But why? Because the document are waiting for to get out this cat. They always take over that belong to me. You take over this area that belong this Ababa family. And the business I was open to, I found the business was 97. I opened the business was 2005. And why you take over my account and my money? And you want me, you gave me hard time and you want me stay homeless. And no matter what, I fight my right, no matter what, I'm working. And you bother me and the police, they always video me wherever I go and they looking me where I apply the job. They follow me, the police, and to talk, no hire the woman. Why the woman tourist visa or crazy? The police, you gonna pay what you done to me. You always follow me, video me when I apply the job. All of a sudden, your Dina together to you to pack up me, and the Dina was identity theft, go that police, no real that police. Identity theft, always follow me, get jealous to me, always video me what I'm doing this house, what I'm doing the job, wherever that Lucia go. If I'm going shopping, get jealous to me. They always be John take over my things. Abay, I have many things. That many things that Abay, a new one or old one. And he's telling, get jealous to me. Hey, you have a job. Why you get jealous to me and you stealing my things? Everything I have, I buy things. Everything I have, you take over that belong to me. You have a job. Why you take the money dollars? And why you come in that you don't have a warrant over arrest, you get in warrant or search warrant my house, and you believe that person that you're talking, that's the one making trouble with me, and you don't have evidence, police, and you gave it that police report. You got the problem, police. Why you together and you take the money dollar? That Rosanna Jones. Rosanna Jones, I know you attacked me. I was working the Labs Bakery and you take over my passport and you bring my passport here, my house, and you copy and you give a lot of people and you collect the people $400 and you give the passport, the blue, the US passport. I know already some of your police. You say the internet belong Lucia Ababa, and this face is Lucia Ababa talking about the video over here. You have to remember, I fight my right, and no matter what, my father gonna come to me. My father, Pablo, too, Pablo. Now they gonna come the white, the Hawaii, and the black here. The black here is stay that big island. They gonna come to me because he still remember memory. The daughter is a black here was stayed at Paula, the Philippine Cebu. All of a sudden, they kidnap and they bring the Hawaii, the demon Lucifer, and the cat and the snake. Together the time, Pack whispers the time, together to me. Run, Pack whispers. Why? They attack the snake. Run the snake. Why? The cat take over the cat. Now right now, over here, many cat over here. Now if you police, I'm civilian, but I know already how to do it to pull out the face, that person. And I know I stare the person, I stare my two eyes, and I see that one, I'm gonna pull out the person by the power. I know already that my data to talk to me, I call the data. If they contact me, the brains, I know already my brains, I'm very smart woman to talk the another person, to contact the brain, because they know already I belong to God. I'm Maria de Santa Lucia Ababa. You don't know about long time ago, I'm together my father Pablo. My father Pablo always the actor of the movie. They bring me, but the only one the actor at the time. I don't like actor because I'm different. I don't like the actor who show the power and always follow the other people. Now I remember Father Pablo, I was young the time, 11 years old, short time already. And I know I remember that sister, a black here, is Vanessa. Vanessa. And I remember Vanessa. I was 11 years old. And I told Vanessa, I'm going to North Pole. I'm going that North Pole. And Father Pablo bring me come down to put down that Paola, that Philippine Cebu. Now that's before. That's why 11 years old. And I was the show. And they take over. They take over the white woman pretend take over the pretend daughter right there. Now, my father, Pablo, is the actor of the movie, the Spider Suite. Now, you can see the black hair, the long hair, that's Lucy. Before, they take over white woman pretend daughter, my father, Pablo, was the actor only because Lucy was gone the time they kidnapped